was some of the throwback photos and, ng ating couple ngayong gabi. And I believe that it is about time that we are going to proceed po with the most exciting part of our event for tonight. At inihiling ko lang po sana ang lahat ng ating mga bisita na syempre naman, once we proceed to that part, at pagtinawag ko na po ang ating couple together with our team bride and team groom. Salubungan naman natin sila ng ating pangmalakasang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. At sila po'y sabay-sabay manggagaling dito. And we are about to welcome them all together on stage. But for the meantime, everybody, pakicheck lang po ang inyong mga mesa. May makikita po kayo dyan na kulay green na panyo or napkin. Please get one. Kuha po kayo ng isa. White or green? Mostly green nakikita ko. Ayan, kuha lang po kayo. And of course, we're just going to use that particular napkin pang salubong lang po sa ating couple. And then, kuha lang po tayo. So, pag tinawag ko po ang ating couple kasabay, ang ating mga abay on stage, once you're going to hear, ayan, syempre naman, itataas lang po natin ang inyong mga panyo. Ay, wagay-way na malahas! Kasabayan ng pangmalakas ang sigaw. Syempre naman po to cheer and welcome on stage our couple. Alright? So, harap na po tayo doon. Hinihiling ko lang po ang lahat ng ating mga bisita na ipagod na natin ang ating energy for them because of course, they deserve this night. And we also like your energy and presence to be present dito po sa ating reception. Okay? So, I think handa na ba ang lahat? Tanongin ko nga po ng lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Andang-anda na nga sila. I think we're all set. So that is why, brace yourselves to want to get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado,